Thank you so much for being here. Please make sure that you like, subscribe, comment, do all the things, turn on your notifications, make sure you know about all the videos that I post because we are here building this yoga practice. Today we're working on plow pose, another pose that you see like towards the end of class because you're nice and open. Plow pose kind of works along the same lines as a forward fold or some folding position, leading you to shoulder stand, right? If you do shoulder stand, you should come in and out of plow first. For both plow and shoulder stand, you might suffocate yourself with the chest. Just a warning. If that is a problem for you, if it's just uncomfortable regardless, go to bridge. I posted that last week. For plow pose, we start off on our back. Now, the whole job is to throw your feet over your head, which sounds crazy. What I suggest is a few things. One, so you're starting with your legs up the wall. Legs up the wall is a pose, not actually on the wall, but you can use the wall for support if that helps you. I'm going to start with my hands down by my sides and my feet straight up to the sky. My hands are going to help me support, push myself over. And then they will support by coming up under my back like a kickstand or a picture frame once my hips are up over my head. And I'm going to start with a little momentum. We push back and forth. Feel the lower back, the hips lifting off of the mat. And this also is core, right? And once you get to a state where your feet are really going over your head, you can push into the mat here, get up a little higher, bring the hands under the lower back. Again, kickstand, picture frame, and keep pushing the feet over your head. Your toes might not touch the floor. That's fine. If you're at a hover, but you're getting the work happening in your shoulders, that's exactly what we're looking for here. The deeper we get in this, the more we can walk the elbows closer together to provide more support. You can probably hear my bra cutting into the words that I can say, right? So we come through here, and then to come back out, we release through plow, roll ourselves back down. That's plow. If you wanted to use the wall for this, scoot your butt up. I gotta go a place where there's no pictures, right? Scoot your butt up to the wall. Press into the wall. Practice for your shoulder stand. Get into your shoulders. Bring your hands under your butt to support you. Walk those elbows in. This might be it. Maybe you send one foot over. Maybe you send the other foot over. Maybe you tuck the feet in. You can send them both over. The hands still come down. They can press in here, or they can stay on the lower back to support you. Roll it back gently, carefully. Don't kick a hole in your wall. I hope that was helpful. It's a really big stretch across the back, so that might feel really good if you feel tight in that area. You can go to thickthighyoga.com. I teach live classes. I have playback subscriptions. I have more videos on this channel here that I've been posting. And I teach private sessions. So if you are really like, look, I really need a hand in this, which I believe is the way to start yoga, sign up for a private session. I would love to work with you. Thank you so much for being here. Please make sure that you like, subscribe, follow, turn on your notifications, all those things, so you see even more about learning your practice and hearing different modifications and options, because that's what I do.